when things aren't going your way or the conditions aren't great. They say in golf, you know, and you hit a perfect drive and it rolls off the fairway because the wind's blowing left to right. These are things that we can't focus on, and they're distractions. And I think in the last few years I've gotten much better at that. It's not something I've perfected, but it's something I work at every day, and I think the results have shown.
Global for me is the top in the world.
It's a very prestigious competition, so it's a really good competition to win. I'm thrilled.
We're so honored, and we know this is just the beginning of a long-term event. We welcome you back next year. This was absolutely exciting.